Rust-Oleum Chalked Ultramatte Paint is an easy-to-use, water-based paint that dries to a velvety smooth finish and adds a vintage chic look to any piece. With 31 colors available and endless ways to customize, you can create virtually any chalk paint effect you're after. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to quickly transform a dull foyer table into a statement piece for your entryway. Rust-Oleum Chalked Ultramatte Paint is easy to use and ready to apply. No primer is needed and very little prep work is required. To start, cover the surrounding area to protect your space from drips and make cleanup easy. Next, remove any hardware to simplify the paint job and ensure a crisp, clean finish. Also, remove any drawers and paint them separately. Sanding and priming are not required, but for best results on a high-gloss surface or bare wood, we recommend that you lightly sand first. Afterward, wipe the surface completely clean of any dust and debris to ensure a smooth, even finish. Read all instructions carefully before you begin. Once you're ready, stir the paint thoroughly until it's reached a consistent color and texture. Using a high-quality synthetic brush, apply your paint in light, even strokes. For best results, avoid overbrushing. Most projects can achieve the desired look with only one coat of chalked ultramatte paint. But you can add 1 or 2 additional coats if you prefer. Be sure to wait 30 minutes between each one. Then, allow your piece to dry completely. To add a distressed, aged, or chipped look, you can lightly sand the painted surface with fine to medium sandpaper. Focus your sanding on the edges and curves, and take off as much paint as you want for the one-of-a-kind look you're after. The more you sand, the more the original surface will show through. Once you're finished, wipe the surface completely clean of any dust and debris. To protect your project and keep it durable, finish it off with 1 coat of chalked matte clear top coat. Then, let your project dry completely for another 4 hours, and that's it. Now, just replace the drawers and hardware. That's all it takes to turn an ordinary table into the highlight of the room. Imagine what else you can do with Rust-Oleum Chalked Ultramatte Paint.